Hello people, sun was shining. Yeah, there it is. And this is slight update. I've just adjusted the Tappet. Let me show you the reading, 13,392. And let's hear how it sounds. Here we go. So yeah, this is the engine sound. I just rode it for about 5-ish kilometers after riding. This is the exhaust sound. Let's give it some gas. So let's give it some gas, yeah. Yeah, it does backfire sometimes. So yeah, this is just a small update. I'll be posting the video of that was horn from a bus, but anyways, yeah. So I'll be posting a video of the DIY of how to set the valve clearance. That should be up soon. And this is it. Yeah, bike needs a wash, but having a good time. Ride safe. Bye.